Hello.
Hello,
Hi.
how are you?
I'm great. How are you?
No, I'm fine.
Good. Okay. I'm from the US and I live in Spain. How about you?
Yeah, I'm from India.
Ah, cool. Which part of India?
I'm South India, Tamil Nadu.
Nice. Very nice.
Where you living in Spain?
I live in Tarragona, which is near Barcelona
Near Barcelona, in the middle of Spain,
on the
I
coast,
think.
the Mediterranean.
Or- yeah.
Hmm.
How is today?
Good. It's a beautiful sunny day. So
Yeah.
later I will go to the beach and yeah, it's nice. It's very nice.
Weather is, how is the weather?
Very good. It's very nice weather.
Very good.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And how about for you?
Sorry?
How's the weather where you are?
And now, right now I'm in Dubai.
Okay. Ah, okay.
It's
You're in
very
Dubai.
hot, 45 above.
Yeah, sure. Sure, sure. Okay, great. So I see you would like to go through a lesson plan?
Yeah, I today talk about the general conversation.
Conversation.
Yeah.
So not the lesson plan.
No, not necessarily.
Okay.
Just,
Okay. Sounds good. Very
yeah.
good. So how long have you been living in Dubai?
I'm just 10 years.
Okay.
How long have you lived in Spain?
Good. I have lived in Spain for 8 months,
Hmm.
but I have lived in Europe for 5 years.
5 years.
5 years in Europe. Hmm. Have you visited Spain before?
No.
Oh, okay. It's a nice country.
Yeah.
Okay.
I can't see your picture. Something is problem, I think.
I know. That's strange. Uh, hmm. I don't know.
Yeah. This, when they start the conversation,
Mm-hmm.
the starting problem, this beginning, the problem is the as usually the people start the end directly they end the conversation.
Hmm.
If you ask, are you like the music? I'm tell, yeah, yes, just one word. I need to build up my vocabulary. How to improve my conversation?
Sure, of course. Right, because it's about, well, this platform is for learning how to have a good conversation. So yes, we can do that. Tell me, what do you do to improve your English? How are you practicing? How often? Tell me a little bit about your study skills and your study habits.
Yeah, I will some reading the books.
Okay. Yes, confidence is key. So it's one of
Yeah,
the big parts of yeah, yeah, cool. Um, and so do you watch TV series in English ever?
yeah.
Good.
I watch the movies,
Ah, good. Very good. Yeah.
subtitle movies,
Okay. It's a very good way to improve your English for sure.
and reading the books also.
Also, that's great. Yes. What types of
Nation.
mm-hmm, mm-hmm. How many languages are in India?
India is 22 is official language. More than 800 languages they speaking the people.
Wow, that's incredible.
Great. Yeah.
And how many of those languages do you speak?
In me,
Yeah, you. How many?
uh, I'm thinking four languages:
Okay. And which languages are they?
English and Tamil in mother tongue, and
Okay.
Hindi,
Hmm.
Malayalam. How many languages you speaking?
I speak two languages. I speak English and I speak Spanish.
Spanish.
Hmm. And
Spanish
I'm
from Spain or
Spanish from
Spain.
Spain. Yeah. I when I was a kid, I had a teacher who studied in Madrid, so I learned Castellano when I was young.
Mhm.
And now that I'm living in Spain, this is the excuse me?
Castellano. It means language.
Yes. So it means in English it's Castilian, and
Mhm.
it's another form of Spanish, which is
Castillan.
Castilian. Yeah. So it's the kind of Spanish that comes from Spain.
Which people people speaking the where the Europe or
Europe.
Latin America,
In Europe,
Europe.
they speak Castellano, and then in South
Only
America,
part of it.
yeah,
South America,
yeah, in South
Spain and South America.
only Spain speaks the Castellano, but in South America, they just say that they speak Spanish.
You from the USA, no?
I'm from the U.S.
It's part of in US,
From San Diego, California. Do you know it?
California.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I know it.
Okay, cool. Yeah, I'm from the very south of California, right next to Mexico. So I know Mexico.
How long you been working in Cambly?
I've been working here for about 3 weeks.
3 weeks.
I'm a very new teacher.
Time.
Hmm. And how long have you been practicing on Cambly?
Just this one is fourth time.
Ah, cool.
Just 1 week before.
Ah, nice. And how is the experience so far?
That's good.
Good.
I can speak English.
Very good. That's great. Have you met some nice people so far? Interesting
Yeah,
people?
I got from one two guy from UK.
Ah, cool. Hmm.
One is the PhD. He completed the bio biological,
Okay,
and one is just cool,
cool.
just improvement.
That's good. It's a very good way, and the model is good because as an English learner, it's very good for you to learn different accents. So to learn how
Yes.
to understand the British accent and the American
Mm.
accent and the Australian accent, because this will help you improve your skills
Can you
and
please
you'll
introduce?
what's that?
Can you please introduce yourself in American accent?
I'm well, I I have an American accent. Yes, the this is how we speak. I'm from California, so this is an American accent.
What are you doing right now with Spain?
I'm studying and I'm working.
Which is PhD or higher study?
Excuse me?
Higher study you studying in Spain?
I'm studying for my master's degree at a
Which,
university in Barcelona.
which degree?
Dance and movement therapy.
Wow. How is going study?
Very well. It's going very well. It's challenging because we have to now do the program online, and
Mm-hmm.
that's very challenging with this kind of work. But it's a great, great program. It's really a wonderful program.
How is the pandemic in Spain?
It's better, much better. So now
Much
it's,
better.
yeah,
How improve?
it has improved, thankfully. What about in India? Is it?
India is now hot past the world.
Oh, okay.
Going the 4,40,000 above the cases there.
Oh my gosh. Wow, that's a lot.
The fourth place of the world now. Number one.
Yeah.
America and Brazil
Mm.
and India is now
Wow. And in Dubai?
very dangerous. Dubai is controlled now.
Okay, good. And which part of oh well, actually I don't know Dubai, but are you working in Dubai? Did you go there for work?
Yeah,
Okay. And what kind of work do you do?
I'm in now administration.
Okay, very good. And do you like living in Dubai? What's the lifestyle like there?
Yeah, like
Yeah. Okay. So, and do you have friends and family there or people that you know?
friends is their family living in India.
Ah, okay. But and friends. So, good. Have you,
Where did you travel last time?
excuse me?
Where did you travel? Any can in outside of US? You visit another country
Yes, many places, all over Europe. So France, Spain,
all over Europe.
yeah, all over Europe. And then also I've been to Australia, India, to Peru, Costa Rica, Panama, Mexico. I think that's it.
How is the feel?
What?
How is feel the traveling? You learn something?
Yes, always. You learn a lot when you travel because you are learning a new
The
culture and
culture,
and
and
also
new people.
understanding a new language. So trying to communicate with a language that maybe you don't speak. So you learn a lot through travel. It's a very good thing to do, I think, for everyone.
Absolutely.
Yeah. Yes, very much. Well, we just have a few seconds left. So
Yeah.
thank you so much.
30 seconds.
Yep.
Take care.
So I hope that
Thank
you
you so
have a
much.
very good day and maybe we will have another class.
Bye.
Okay. Take care. Bye bye.